Mama, what you doing?
Yes. Hello guys.
What you doing?
I'm planting pineapples.
Hmm?
And these are my pineapples. Tabi ng bahay namin guys. These are the pineapples. So usually about 1 meter yung distance niya from the other pineapple. So about 1.5 meters or 1 meter is okay. Yan. So
Or it's okay to put left.
yes.
Or it can grow
So,
faster.
you can just take out the leaves after the crown. So the crown, I use crown guys. I use crown to
Make
plant
make more water.
pineapple. Then I use crown. Ibigay all the things, everything. And here, video. And also we have here some coconuts.
Shortcut time.
Coconuts here.
Shortcut time.
And we have some coconuts here. And also another pineapple. And here, this is about 1 month old. Yan.
Oh.
So nagdadamo ako para hindi siya mamatay. So I have to take all of these weeds because it's not helping the pineapple. And I do mulching. All the weeds I uprooted will be used as a mulching for my calamansi. Yan. Calamansi. So mayroon na siyang bunga guys. Yan. This is the calamansi. Na siya. And so and also I planted kangkong. Yan, because the kangkong, it loves water. So these are the kangkong. Sayang naman kasi kung walang tanim tong aming kitchen backyard. Yan. So these are the kangkong. And also we have here guys yung pandan. Yan. Pandan. And we have here the pandan here. My favorite. Okay. And also these are our calamansi farm. And calamansi and also buko, dwarf coconuts. And okay, thank you. Bye bye.
Bye bye.